There it goes. Okay, today we're talking about a coordinate plane. Same thing as a coordinate system. Here comes math aerobics. Are you ready? With your arms, show me the x-axis. What does it look like? Just the x-axis. Okay, look at me, Miss Bateman. This is the x-axis. Stretch it out. Feels good to stretch. Just horizontal, left and right. That's the x-axis. Stretch it out. Now, show me the y-axis. What does that look like? Yes. Up and down, up and down. Okay, ready for aerobics? Show me the x-axis. Y-axis. Show me the y-axis. X-axis. Y-axis. X-axis. Okay, you can put your arms down. Good job. Up on the board, let me show you exactly what this means on the coordinate plane. On the coordinate plane, I'm going to trace it in red. Actually, I'm going to trace one of them in red, and you shout out which one it is, the x-axis or the y-axis. Are you ready? Set, shout. Wow. Good job, guys. All right, so what's this one then? X-axis. Good job. Okay, next. Next, I want you to make glasses on your eyes. Yes. And say origin, 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 origin. Say it with me. Origin, origin. Okay, hold your origins. Guys, take your glasses off, but keep holding them. You've got 2 zeros. The origin is always at 0, 0. That's a vocab word. We've got to put up on our word wall. So 0, 0 is a point. It's an ordered pair. But that ordered pair, 0, 0, what vocab word goes with it? We just said it. Origins. Whenever you hear origin, I want you to think of glasses. It's the point 0, 0. Okay, shout out the vocab word for this. What is it? What did you just say? Origin. It's the origin. Good job. Okay, let's add it to our aerobics. I'm going to say either origin, make your glasses, x-axis or y-axis. Are you ready?
Yes.
And y-axis. Good job. X-axis. Origin. Y-axis. Origin. X-axis. Origin. Y-axis. Good job, aerobics. Good job. Hold on, Tyler has a question. Go, Tyler, go.
What be the y and x-axis? What?
Tell me again.
The origin is in the middle of the y and x-axis.
Okay, Tyler said, is the origin in the middle of the y and x-axis? Middle makes me a little bit nervous because these go on forever. You can't really have a middle of something that goes on forever. However, it's where they cross each other. It's where they intersect, right? It's where they intersect. Okay, next, what else we need to talk about? We need to talk about this. Ordered pair. We talked about an ordered pair. An origin is an ordered pair. Guys, make parentheses with your hands. Ordered pair are always 2 numbers in the parentheses. One stands for the x-axis, the other stands for the y-axis. Okay, last thing we want to talk about, this is all review, right? Hold it 4 fingers and wiggle. There are 4 quadrants on a coordinate system. How many quadrants? 4. Can I get a hand in here? Can you tell me where quadrant 1 is? And we name them with Roman numerals. Janessa, tell me where it is. Top right. Okay. Now, one of my boys in my earlier classes did something amazing. He said top right. Whoa, so huge. But then he said it's all of the positive positives. I said, wait, what do you mean by that? And he said, in order for a point to be in quadrant 1, it has to be a positive number and a positive number. So the ordered pair has to be a positive number and then a positive number. And I loved that he described it like that. So, can I stretch you? No, in my other class. So can I stretch you a little bit? Can someone tell me where quadrant 2 is? But can you describe it in negatives and positive? What belongs there? Skylar, what do you think?
It's the left.
Okay, she said top left. I agree with you.
It's a positive.
It's a positive and a negative. Guys, clap once if you agree with Skylar. Good job. Wait, let's think about that. Oh, she wants to switch it. Why did you switch it? She said you have to go x-axis, then y-axis. So x-axis is negative on this one, right? Y-axis positive. Way to save it, Skylar. Good job. All right, Skylar, call in some for quadrant 3. Sammy. Bottom left. Okay, Sammy. And it's what? Oh, she said bottom left and all negatives. Clap twice if you agree, Sammy. All right. So obviously, guys, shout out where's quadrant 4?
Bottom right.
Perfect.
Positive, negative.
Okay, wait. So you said bottom right, but then Tyler shouted, what did you shout, Tyler?
Positive, negative.
Positive, negative. Clap once if you agree with him. Positive, negative. was like, I have a hard time remembering describing positives and negatives, so look at something. Guys, look at quadrant 1 compared to quadrant 3. So see how they're diagonal from each other? He said they're the same. Like quadrant 1 is positive, positive. Quadrant 3 is negative, negative. So that's how he remembers. And then he looked at 2 and 4 and he said they're exact opposites. You just gotta be careful as you graph, okay? All right, next, in your workbooks, open to page 23. What page, guys?
20.
Go. Okay, if you can hear me, clap once. If you can hear me, clap twice. Okay, conversation stop, eyes on the board. Here we go. Let's start graphing these together. So the very first one on page 20, open to 26. Let's go to 26. So 26 in your books says graph these points. The first one is A, 8, 4. I'm going to do this one with you, and then I'm going to have you describe it to me. So you always start at the origin. The origin is at 0, 0. And I learned how to graph. Are you watching, Bridger? I learned how to graph by thinking elevators. So I learned you walk to the elevator. So this one says walk 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 steps. We don't get to write it yet. You walk to it first, and then you write it 4. That is a positive 4, so you go up 4 flights. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Make it big, make it obvious. Don't forget to put a capital letter A right next to it. You're naming that point.
Oh, wait, what?
Okay, let's do letter B next. So letter B, you go back to the origin. You always start at the origin. That's a negative 3. So on the x-axis, you go backwards 3, walk 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. And then up to the 5th floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make it big, make it obvious. Label it with a capital letter B. All right, I need a hand in there. I want someone else to tell me exactly how to graph letter C. I'm going to act like an idiot, like I know nothing. So make it obvious. Dayton, tell me what to do.
You go walking to that side,
Where do I start, Dayton?
the origin,
Start at the origin, okay.
and then you would walk to the left
Walk to the left, okay.
2 times,
2 times, left 2 times, got it.
and then you go down twice.
Down twice, 1, 2. Dayton, perfect. Way to describe it. And that's letter C. All right, Dayton, call someone to describe letter D for me. Tyler, I'm ready. Go.
Okay. Get on the origin
Origin, got it.
and go on the x-axis right.
Go on the x-axis right. How many spots?
4 times.
1, 2, 3, 4. Got it.
Go down -7,
Down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
and that's
And that's D. Good job. Way to describe it. Tyler, call on someone for E. Okay, Maddie, go ahead. Start at the origin, okay.
go back. Go
To the left, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it.
and then you go down.
Down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it. Maddie, good job. Call someone for letter F, please. Okay, Jamie says start at the origin, okay.
Then go to the left 9.
9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left 9 times, okay.
And then go up.
Up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stretch, put an F. Guys, raise your hand. Actually, vote with your thumbs. Thumbs up. I got this. I understand. Halvesies, I get confused. Down, I have no idea what I'm doing. Thumbs. Let me see your thumbs. How do you feel about graphing on a coordinate plane? Okay, I'm going to add points on here. Are you ready? I want to make sure you know how to graph. If it's on the x-axis, G, point G. So write in your books. I want you to graph point G. Point G is going to be at the point 0, -4. Copy it down in your books. And then graph H, which is going to be at the point -4, 0. And then graph I, which is at the point, let's do 3, 0. And then J, which is at the point 0, 3.
Okay.
Can you handle all those zeros? Copy it down. Go, go, go. I'll give you time. Okay, now that I've given you time, we pause the recording for a second. Can someone describe letter G for me? Make it obvious. Janessa, thanks. Tell me what to do.
Start at the origin.
Start at the origin, okay.
And then go down 4.
Down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How come you didn't go left or right?
Because when it has the 0 in the
Uh-huh.
you don't go left or right.
Wait, she said when 0 is first in parentheses, you don't go left or right. That's like you're already standing in the elevator. Now just push the button and write it down, right? Okay, Janessa, call something for letter H. Camille? All right, Camille, go ahead. Tell me what to do. Start the origin. Go left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And you stay there. Good job. So this one, we walk to the elevator and it's broken. You don't get to ride it. 0. You don't go up, you don't go down. Okay, good job, Camille. Call someone for letter I, please. Okay, Caitlin, I'm ready.
So you go over 3. You start at the origin.
Start the origin.
And then you go over 3.
Over 3. Which way over?
Right.
Right 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
And
You stop. So same thing. You walk 3 steps to the elevator in the opposite direction and it's broken. We don't get to ride it up or down. All right, Caitlin, good job. Call someone for letter J. Okay, Brooke said start the origin.
And then you go with J, right?
Yep.
So you don't move anywhere since it's 0.
Don't move anywhere left or right because it's 0. Good job.
And then you move up 3.
Move up 3. 1, 2, 3. There's the J. Just raise your hand. I got those 4 ones.
I got this.
Yeah? Nicely done. Okay. Next. Put your pens and pencils in your books and close them. We're going to play the ABCD cards. Telling your neighbors. Which order pairs corresponds to point T? Point T is right here. I'll make it bigger for those of you in the back. Do you think it's A, -3, -3, B, -3, 3, C, 3, -3, or D, 3, 3? Under your desks, flip to the letter you want to vote for. Don't tell your neighbors. Okay, I'm at the back of the room now. Ready? Set. Almost. Show me. What do you think?
Oh, she's at the back of the room.
I am at the back of the room. So what letter do you think it is? Guys, it's C. Good job. Super impressed. Okay. C is the point 3, -3. Shout it out. What quadrant is that? Quadrant 4. Good job. Okay, I'm going to change up the next question so we can use our ABCD card. So this letter A is at the point -4, 2. With your ABCD cards and not talking to your neighbors. Don't give away the answer. Tell me where that point is. A, B, C, or D. Whoa, that was weird. Do you think it's A, quadrant 1, B, quadrant 2, C, quadrant 3, D, quadrant 4? Don't tell your neighbors underneath your desk. I can see all these cards. Put them under your desk. Put them under your desk. Flip to the letter you think that point is in. Ready? Set. Show me, what did you get? Because that's 100%. I haven't had that all day. Good job. What quadrant is it in? B, quadrant 2. Okay, I think I'm going to change up the answers on this one. Let me grab the eraser. Oh, I forgot I colored over that. Let me color over that again. I want that to be bigger. Okay, so letter B is different. Letter B is asking about the point 0, -3. So let me think of ABCD options. All right, do you think that that point 0, -3 is in quadrant 3, quadrant 4, the x-axis, or the y-axis? Okay, hide your cards. Okay, we're voting for the best answer. I can see some of your cards. Hide them. Tyler, hide your cards. Okay, find the letter you're going to vote for. And what's the best answer? Show me. What did you put? Let me see. Are you ready for the answer? D is the best. D is the best answer. It is literally on the y-axis. Good job, guys. Check it. Guys, look at the board. Here's quadrant 3. Here's quadrant 4. Do you agree they're both fighting for that point?
Yeah.
So it's not really fair to give one of those quadrants that point. Just say that it's on the y-axis. Okay, page 23. Spoiler alert. I'm going to tell you what the picture is. I am spoiling it. Okay. Once you graph page 23, it's going to be this. football helmet. So appropriate because we're bringing cans for the big football game, right? So hopefully you're bringing cans. Now, here's why if you can hear me, clap once, clap twice. Okay, end your conversations, here we go. This is why I spelled it so I can get you used to what's expected, what you're gonna have to do on your assignment. So this first one, we've got to graph the point 412. Right now, on page 23, graph the point 412. Start at the origin, go over 4, up 12, make a dot. Guys, I really beg you to do this. Go back and check off number 1 so you know you did that one. In case you lose your spot or your book falls off your desk or something. Okay, number 2. Now go over 9, start the origin, go right 9, up 9, make a dot. Here's the new thing. This is also a connect the dots assignment. So now connect those two. Check. And then go back and check off number 2. You're done. Now we're on number 3. Number 3 says go right 12, up 4, walk 12 spots, ride the elevator to the 4th floor. Don't forget to connect the dots. Don't forget to check off number 3. Okay, I'll do one more with you. Number 4. Number 4 says go right 12 and then drop 3, make a dot, connect the dots, and check off number 4. Okay, listen closely. You need to finish the football helmet on your own. Good luck. And then your assignment is page 24. So as soon as you're done with the football helmet, go to page 24. 24 is going to be a different picture. Good luck.